The Samsung Galaxy S23 series first look has been arrived in the form of a dummy unit. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, since from last couple of days we are hearing multiple reports regarding the S23 series, particularly the S23 Ultra, and based on those leaks and rumors, they have confirmed every single detail about the S23 Ultra device. Now today leak of the Galaxy S23 series in the form of a dummy unit have made it out in the wild, giving us a taste of what the company's next conventional flagship may look like. Previous leak vendors had implied that the S23 and S23 Plus would have the same floating camera array as the S23 Ultra, and today leak has confirmed that. Although it is due mentioning that the camera specifications are going to be different for all the three devices. Now moving towards the S23 Ultra dummy models shows a phone that looks identical to its predecessor, but it is expected to have some minor differences, such as it has a flatter side and slightly taller and wider but thinner dimensions. It also apparently have thinner bezels as well, as rumors have stated that the standard and the plus models appear to have slightly more rounded corners than their 2022 counterpart, and they also look a little taller. And lastly, we got to see a group of shots of the S23 Ultra, S23 Plus and S23. The 6.8-inch Galaxy S23 Ultra is unsurprisingly visibly bigger than the 6.5-inch Galaxy S23 Plus and 6.1-inch S23, and it also has a slot for the S Pen stylus. The Ultra model has a boxier design, whereas the other two models have a rounded look. Now overall, the design isn't being a big departure from outgoing range, and bigger changes are expected to be inside. Well, one of the most interesting rumors is that Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will be a lot faster than the chip that powers the current lineup and could make the Galaxy S23 phones about as fast as the iPhone 14, which is really saying something. This will give the S23 model a better shot at becoming the best phone of 2023. Other than that, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is highly likely to come with a 200 megapixel camera sensor, which would give it a hardware edge over its main rival, and leak samples suggest it will take incredible detailed images. As far as the S23 and S23 Plus, they are highly likely to have a bigger batteries under the hood. All the models are also tipped to get a new front-facing camera and will allege to be a better in 8K video shooting at 30 frames per second. Samsung is expected to announce the Galaxy S23 lineup in the first week of February, and this particular event is going to be in-person event in San Francisco. And you guys, are you excited about the design of the S23 Ultra? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.